In 2024, facing the dual pressures of low domestic industry operation and weakened international market momentum, Shandong Heavy Industry Group lived up to expectations and achieved the best historical levels in its main operating indicators. As the core business unit of Shandong Heavy Industry, Weichai continued to release new products and iterate new technologies in 2024, leading the industry in all fields and becoming the source of indigenous power for Shandong Heavy Industry to move forward against the trend and stand at the forefront of the industry. Now I am at the production site of Weichai natural gas engines. How about it? Just look at the bussiness of this site, and you can know how popular Weichai's natural gas engines are in the market. Customer recognition comes from the continuous iteration of Weichai technology. Not long ago, at the Weichai 2025 Global Partner Conference, Weichai released 3 new Gas 4.0 power products, WP3, NNG, WP8ing, and WP16ing, further consolidating Weichai's king position in the field of gas power. In particular, after the release of WP16ing, it will become a new benchmark for gas power products. So far, Weichai's natural gas engine power covers 103 kW to 551 kW, which can be widely used in heavy trucks, light trucks, buses, engineering machinery and other fields. Harvesters are the main tools for cross-regional harvesting in my country, and are also an important guarantee for my country to achieve a bumper harvest of grain. Now these heavy equipment behind me also have a brand new core. In the field of agricultural equipment power, Weichai has released a full range of low-speed harvester hydraulic powertrain new products, with a power range of 125-530 horsepower, which can meet the power needs of the 3 major staple foods and cash crops, and inject mental production into the green and efficient development of agricultural equipment. With the in-depth implementation of national strategies, greening and intelligence have become new trends in the field of engineering machinery. In order to respond to market changes and create growth points in the engineering machinery market, Weichai grandly released the WP3, 6 and hydraulic powertrain and a full range of hybrid powertrain products, including the WP14T mining truck hybrid assembly, and is committed to providing global customers with integrated engineering machinery power solutions. The world's largest power, sound power, and industry-leading, all of these keywords come from Weichai's latest 20 and 55 high-end power generation products. In 2024, Weichai Energy Power has performed well in the global market, with a market share of nearly 20%, firmly ranking first in the industry. Facing the industry's high power density development trend, Weichai has launched the Butuan 20 and 55 high-end product. This product is tailored for data centers, and leads the industry's high power trend with a single machine power of 4,550 kilowatts. Compared with the launch of traditional power new products, Weichai's new power battery launch is more eye-catching. At this global event, Weichai launched high-energy density and high-capacity blade batteries such as Bay and Bra for light trucks and heavy trucks for the first time. At the same time, 10 full-series engineering machinery batteries also made a shining appearance, covering 280-765 kilowatt-hours, which can meet the power needs of different market segments such as loaders, excavators, and mining trucks. The launch of Weichai's new energy power products gives the outside world a clear signal. Weichai's horn for the new energy battlefield has sounded. With the explosion of new products, Weichai has demonstrated the strength of hardcore heavy industry with the new core, and has made global partners full of confidence in the development of Shandong Heavy Industry. Weichai Group, as the largest business segment in the Shandong Heavy Industry family with the highest performance contribution, the strongest technological strength and the widest brand influence. In the future, Weichai will create first-class scientific and technological achievements with first-class platforms, first-class talents and first-class mechanisms. I hope that Jingjiang Fuji Technology Co. Limited will sell Weichai better and better.